Hello guys, and here we are again. And after coming back from Baguio City, we are staying here at Chateau Alice condo. So let me show you how this condo looks like. It's a very nice and comfortable place, and it is located here in Paranaque City. Paranaque City is as you might know, this near Manila International Airport. So that's why I chose to stay here. But it doesn't mean that we are going to airport in a couple of days now. But we're going to stay here for a few days before going to Porto Galera. So we'll be there in Porto Galera in a couple of days. But let me show you this condo. How does it look like here? And there, this is the door, and here is the kitchen. It's a mini kitchenette. You can see the stoves, electronic stoves, ventilation system, and here we have everything, almost everything you need for cooking. Even you can see that everything is here. You can use everything from sugar, salt, oil, soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, then coffee maker, toaster, and there you can see this microwave oven, fridge. It's a big fridge, and the things here in the drawer. You can see the cutlery, kitchen cutlery, plates here. So almost everything you need, what you need for cooking. It's a very comfortable place, and yet you can see this water gallon is also free. It comes with free. So we are staying here for 4 days, so we have almost everything, and the owner gave us a big supply of coffee, water as well. And this is the wardrobe. You're going to put your clothes here. So that's my room. I will show you in a couple of minutes. Let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is, let me open it. The bathroom, you can see the WC and the toilet, and this is the fully automatic washing machine. Mirror. They gave us even supplementary toothbrushes or toothpastes, and this is the shower area. The water is very good. It's cool, and it's hot as well. It's up to you how you set the thermostat. And of course the shampoos and conditioners. So they actually provide you everything what you need. And the owner, yes, of course, the owner is also very nice. She's very cooperating, and when we came here, we checked in. There was no rice cooker. Then we asked her if we want to cook rice, how to cook. But she said the previous previous guest who was here, she destroyed the cooker. So she said she's going to bring us a new one. And of course, you know what, she brought us a new one, a new cooker. It's unbelievable that someone is going to bring a new cooker for the resident or the guest. You see, it's a new one. It's not even used for a single time. She brought it. She brought it yesterday and left it there at the reception. As we were not there in the room. So this is a brand new rice cooker she gave us, and we are really happy with this, and we are really thankful to her. She's a very nice and great host, and of course we are going to stay here again. It's a nice place to stay here, and yes, there is a swimming pool as well. I will show you the swimming pool as well when we are leaving our swimming well. Just a minute. Okay, it's done. So keep it on its place. There and there. So this is it. I wanted to show you, and now I will take you in my room. So we're going to check the room, and this is the room. A big TV, LCD, and this is the room, and that area is the living room, or you can say the dining room, the kitchen, and everything is outside. And this is the glass door, and there you can see the sitting area. You can sit here, or even if you have some guests. So, TV, the dressing table. Yes, there is a fan. Aircon is really nice. It's a very nice air conditioner, very good to make this cool. And this is the bed. It's a very comfortable room, and there is a window as well. Yes, these are the remotes for TV and satellite channel receivers. So this is the view from the window. So these are the different condo units. Yes, I forgot to tell you the name is Chatu Alice, something like that. I don't really remember the exact name, but I will show you later. So these are the condo units. It's a very big complex, and there is a very big swimming pool as well. So later we'll be going there. So that's it. It's going to be our room tour. So that's it. What are we cooking today? Huh? What are we cooking today? This is what?
This is
Chicken
adobo.
Chicken adobo. And this one? Fried chicken and chicken adobo. What about the rice? This is our rice. Okay. So chicken adobo and rice. This is going to be our lunch. This is only lunch or dinner? Yes, it's for 2 times, lunch and dinner. It's almost, adobo is almost done, I think. I just need to keep it on low heat. What about this? This one is dead. I don't remember. What about this? You're not going to flip it. Check it now, maybe it is going to crispy chicken. Crispy chicken. Okay guys, you just had a tour of this unit in Chadu Alice Condominium here in Paranaque. So that's it for now, at least for now. We'll be going outside and exploring this condominium. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the link below for my entire channel's video. This is Chateau LC Condominium. These are the units, the different units, and we are staying in one of the units. And this is the clubhouse where you can organize any event, and behind this clubhouse there is a swimming pool, or there are 3 swimming pools. There is a main entrance from here. So we are going to look around here to take some shots here. This is Ritz. This is where we are staying. There are maybe 8 or 10 blocks of these condominiums, and each condominium has a different name, but we are staying in this one, Ritz. And yes, this is the swimming pool I was talking about. So there are 3 pools, one for the kids and one for the adults, and they're in the one with the basketball court. The basketball, there the people are playing basketball, the water, in the water. Mostly the kids occupy this swimming pool in the morning. Only in the afternoon there is no one. I mean, very less people here for swimming. But normally in the evening or in the early morning, you could see many people here coming and swimming. The swimming pool looks very beautiful at this time. And this is our last evening or last night here, and in the morning we are going to check out. So we just wanted to chill out and explore and see what's happening around. Yes, this place, the people sitting here, looks like a small park, but it's dark. You could hardly see anyone here. How beautiful you can see the swimming pool is looking, and the light, and the blue light. Amazing, it's very amazing. Another view of the clubhouse from this direction, and there's a fountain in the middle, and this is the way in and out, the entrance and exit from here. So this place is very secure. There are security guards everywhere. At every section you can find a security guard to make sure this place is secure and safe for everybody. They're here 24 hours a day. We really had a great time here. We spent 4 days here, 5 days here instead. And our condo or our unit was very excellent. We had everything. We ate everything. We cooked there. We cooked our own food, and it was very good. So it was the best, one of the best experience we had here. We are just walking around. There are some more blocks here, this section, and there are some more here. and the swimming pool is in the middle. So you can access to swimming pool from every direction.